Alright, I'm going to try to keep this one to 5 minutes, just so it's viewable, more digestible. It's a smaller portion. So what I'm building is a cash register app. It's a part of a larger series of applications and applications and a website for a restaurant that I am building. It's not going to be real. However, the software part of it is going to be very, very real when I make it. So it's a bakery. So we're gonna have bakery items, but the bakery is going to be, kind of divided into a couple of different sections, menus. So cafe, bistro, bakery. I also want to add a creamery onto here. Okay, so right for now, in this very rough version, the buttons are indeed color coordinated. I think I was just messing around with the different layout options. That's why all of these are here. But this is obviously 0.01 version 1, whatever you want to say. And then this display is going to be a changing display, maybe IDK. So right now, let's open up VS Code really quickly. Right now, the UI does not work. Nothing on this UI works. They're just all buttons. But if we would want to open up the console, it does work. So quick console example. I'll show you guys the code as I'm doing it. So add Monday menu, which just inits these two for us. Well, it inits all of these, but these two are the ones that super matter at the moment, but I won't delete that. So vanilla latte. So we log vanilla latte. It's an object, cost $3. If I do vanilla latte dot add whole milk. Whoops, I always do that shit, dude. Add whole milk. This is just the console log that says add whole milk. Now, the issue I do have right now is that the way I want it to work is that, see, if I log vanilla latte, it doesn't tell me that I ran the add whole milk function. Nowhere, not in the object and not in its prototypes or anything like that. However, if you guys can have read this already, I'll go ahead and log changes. It'll show the changes. So vanilla latte dot, sorry guys, I'm burping. Add caramel flavor. We log changes. There it is. Here's the thing. This changes array is it becomes almost global once this add Monday menu is ran. So that's why it's working. But what I want it to do is, let's say if I wanted to type in vanilla latte dot changes and I want to access the changes to the vanilla latte object, then that's how I want to do. So as this says, this is working, but I want it to be in the constructor. And that's just a little roadblock that I'll have to figure out at some point. This is interesting. So this is a little interesting tidbit that I had. So let's do vanilla latte dot add hazelnut flavor. Actually, hazelnut flavor. Oops, Jesus. Sorry, voice. Dot add hazelnut flavor. Now, hazelnut flavor is a bit different from the rest of the functions that I have in this coffee class, because as you can tell, it's add whole milk, add soy milk, almond milk, caramel flavor, because it has a X value, and it's going to push that X value. So say I want to add 2 shots of hazelnut flavoring, and I log that changes array to hazelnut. So I'm not going to change now, but you can see that this is working in kind of sort of the way that I want it to work. So next couple of steps I'm going to do is probably just build out this cafe bakery, because I like having these options here as a real tangible thing to click on, even though they don't work, because it's really not that. Once everything's working, like as we saw, the add caramel flavors working, add hazelnut flavors working, all I have to do is hook the UI button up to the function, and bing bam boom, it's working. So I'm not super sweating the fact that the UI isn't working. Everything on the back end is working. So yeah, that's pretty much the first update for this. Yeah.